yeah, this Sunday is usually what we do on Saturdays, which is try to get through as much things as possible. But since we have a full week ahead of us, I'm really not gonna like try and get it all done. I'm gonna get the most that I can done in the slowest way I can. Not like slow, but relaxed, because I don't want to be all gung-ho today and all burnt out tomorrow on the start of the work week. So all right, we're gonna get started in the kitchen. As you can see, it is nuts. Okay, seriously guys, this was an all day clean with me. As I mentioned previously, me and my husband were trading off back and forth with taking care of the kids, and I also had a honey-do list as well. And of course, you know, I had to have my coffee to get any kind of energy to get all of this done before the crazy work week ahead. By the time I'm doing this voiceover, it is actually Friday. Sorry, not Friday. It is Thursday night, so I'm going to try and get this posted tomorrow morning. And let me tell you, it has definitely been a very long week. I had a very demanding work schedule for this week, and as you can see, I sped this up really quickly. I love the sped up version sometimes because it's just really like, I really wish that I could work that fast in real life and that my house would get cleaned that fast in real life. Anybody else feel me on that? But as you can see, my husband's also in the background, like kind of like a Bigfoot. Just here and there, you will see him like that throughout the rest of the video. Did I really just sniff that coffee and double check it to make sure it was clean? Yes, I did. Now I am cleaning off the grill that we had, and I wanted to show you guys how clean it was because I cleaned it a few times beforehand. This thing is amazing. I love it so much. It makes food prepping so easy, and I can make so much food at one time. Honestly, I actually fell while I was trying to put this away and get that angle and that shot. Yeah, not my best moment. And this is where I see the light at the end of the tunnel, because you guys saw how crazy the island was beforehand. So when I saw this, I was just like, okay, the kitchen already looked so much better than before. And those flowers, I got them from Target. I really like them. I had to check them earlier to make sure that the soil had enough moisture in it and to see if I needed to add some more water to it. So that was a ridiculous amount of dishes. Not even gonna lie, I think I spent like an hour and a half just doing dishes. I should probably edit that out, but no, I'm gonna be completely truthful. This thing is amazing. It actually helps to keep my granite countertops from getting scratched too much. And I think I'm actually going to try and I'm going to save up, and then I want to get like, it's like this, it looks like a rubbery, I don't know how to explain it. I'm going to link it down below, but I do want to get it. It's supposed to cover the entire granite island. We'll see if I actually get it or not. But yeah, there were so many dishes to the point where I actually had to put some out to dry, and yeah, lots of fun. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, I am getting tired watching myself do this. Like, that was Sunday was you know, there was a lot of stuff going on. And like I said, this week was long and tiring, and I feel so accomplished, even though I still have another day worth of things that I get to get done. Not only that, but Saturday we are still getting ready for a yard sale. I'm like talking to my husband right there, telling him that he needs to check out how many like scratches are on that plastic protectant thing. All right, next up is the dining room. Alright, I am watching Alexandra Buter clean while I'm cleaning, but as you can see, I'm going to be cleaning this up while I'll be cleaning up this living room while my husband's working on that. And honestly, because I'm going to be focusing on taking care of that one and my other baby, I am not going to film, but I will show you the after. Alright, so I did a quick pickup, and those are all clean clothes. There's another like pile a few clean clothes. Yeah. I told you guys this is a get just enough done with me, not a get it all done with me. So yeah. I'm not gonna like completely organize and clean everything today because we still have, I mean, it's Sunday and I'm not gonna stress myself out because I have a lot of, we both have a lot of stuff to do Monday through Saturday of this week, so I'm not stressing. Okay, so I already got baby bathed up and got the evening routine started. I think we're all fed, and then I started folding clothes. My husband finished. Well, of course we actually have a lot more clothes to fold. We probably have like another 5 loads, but that'll get done tonight. I just wanted to close out because my husband finished also with building the frame of the bed. So we are finally sleeping in a new bed, a new king size bed. And then I vacuumed, washed the dish, finished cleaning up the kitchen again because we ate, the kitchen and the dining room. And yeah, it's been a day. It's definitely been a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you all have a good day.
Ah, right here. What are you doing? You baby. No. Ew. Ew.